Hey, to transfer all data to your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G from other smartphone, for example from your old smartphone, first of all on the both devices you have to actually get the Samsung Switch application. So we have to open the Play Store and input this phrase, the Samsung Smart Switch, and you have to actually get it on the both devices. So after you find this application and install, you have to open it. And now you will actually get these permissions. So we have to actually accept every permission that is popping on your screen. In my case, I just did it, but you have to remember about this one. And also what is very important, that you have to charge your phone above 20%, both smartphones. So the old phone and the Galaxy A35 5G. Next, on your Galaxy, select to receive data and select the select source. So in my case, I'm going to send data from Android phone, so I have to select this one. And I have to select the connection method. So we can do this by using this cable, but you can also do this by using the wireless method. So you can select what you want to do. In my case, I'm going to use the wireless method. I don't want to connect this cable. And now on our old phone, we have to select send data and click OK. Then select wireless, and now we have to keep our phone close to each other because they are making some sounds and they will be actually detected. So now we have to click connect on our old phone to accept connection from the A35 5G, and now devices are actually connecting. So we have to just wait. Okay, and as you can see now, I can actually select everything from my old phone and send it straight into my A35 5G. But for example, if I want to select only some accounts, the calls history, contacts and messages, I can click here. But I can also select custom options. So I have to click here and then tap next. And from this, I can select anything that I want to transfer. So you can actually transfer calls, messages, accounts, apps, settings, home screen settings, images, videos, audio, documents and files. So select wherever you want. In my case, I'm going to the images and I'm gonna actually select all of these screenshots. I'm gonna actually select this screen recorder video, and from the audio I want to get this music. And that's all. Now if you select everything that you want to send, you have to click transfer. And now from this, just wait for this transferring process. You can actually enable this option to keep screen on. The same for this one. It's actually changing the brightness to consume less power from your battery, but it will be turned on all the time, so you don't have to click on it if you have low screen timeout. And as you can see right now, everything was sent. So now there we go, there's the data result. Now I have to click down on my old phone and next on my Samsung, and now as you can see I have to click down, and now all of this data I should find. There we go, there is my screen recorder stuff, my screenshots, and from this there's like, you will still have this data right here. You are not gonna move them, you are going to transfer them, so you don't have to worry that you are going to delete this data from this phone. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.